Hi everyone, my name is Alita and I'm here at Banana Bank. This is my first time doing horseback riding. I have taken my daughter to do horseback riding other places. This is the first time that I've ridden a horse. The difference here with Banana Bank is that they teach you how to ride a horse. They let you feel comfortable before they take you out. As you can see behind me, they're doing a little bit of training, and that's what got me comfortable and riding a horse. As you ride into the trails, we go river horseback riding. We also went through the jungles. We also passed through the teak plantation. That was very fun as well. We learned that you could make furniture from these teak. We also went to the agricultural part where we saw the corns. The last thing that we did, which I never expected to do here, was to go cow herding. You can't get that anywhere else, but you could get it at Banana Bank.